Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic qcad tutorial how to extend line. So as example, I will create line. You can click this line icon and I will create with this horizontal line. And you can set for length, I will set into 50. You can click on drawing area. You also can set the dimension by using a dimension tools. You can click from these endpoints into endpoint in here. The next, if you want to extend this line, you can use the extend tools. Click on modify icons, click on this tool, and then you can click these icons to extend the line. You can click and then select the line object to extend. You can see the amount is 50, like I will set into 30. I will click in this area, so it will be extend in the right, or you can choose in this area to extend in the left. I will click and the line will be automatically extend. So you can set again the dimension to this point to be set into 80. Okay, that's it for basic qcad tutorial how to extend line. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.